I'ma head out then.
Big moves, I'm that dude. Bet I see you from the top, yeah, real soon. Looking down on the haters that I've been through. Told them I'll see you.
They look good. They look pretty good. Yeah, it is what it is, though. It is what it is.
It sounded good. It really did. For what it was, if them U's up there would put some power.
Then you going to... Okay, let's do it. How you doing, man? What's going on, man? Yeah. What you got here, man?
2 18-inch Sundown audio units.
Yeah. Is that y'all just put them in?
Yeah, just now.
Just now.
Upgrade from the EBL.
Yeah, right quick. Right quick, man.
Yeah, I just play what I got on here. Come out.
Oh yeah, that's how it go. That's how it go. What kind of power you running on?
2 RP2000s.
Is it like that? I can imagine you going down bigger than that.
That's next.
You gonna go out of the way? Oh yeah, trust it right there. Auxiliary cable. Come out. Yeah, it's restarting you. Hold on, that's all it is. Who built your box, man?
Anderson.
Him right now. I'm going to see him next.
Go check him out.
I'm gonna go check him out, man. Where can they find you on social media?
I ain't got no.
Yeah, you got one. I put it up. I'm sure somebody will know you Bill. Appreciate it, brother. There you go. Thank you. Hey, man.
Right equipment ain't gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.